Hello, welcome back. I'm with Adam. And we are going to...
Asheville?
Yes. We just got on the road. We have a very packed car. And we have like a 9.5-ish hour ride in front of us. Any thoughts, mister?
It's gonna be the best trip ever.
Why?
Because I get to spend it in the car with you.
Okay, this lighting is the worst, sorry. And I'm not making it better. Okay, hopefully you can see me. We've been in the car for 9 hours. We're like an hour out. We're still surviving. Adam's driving again. And I'm eating my body weight in animal crackers. I want to know what your guys' favorite road trip snack is. Let me know down in the comments. Adam always eats combos, and now he's eating Twizzlers, and I've been eating animal crackers. But I want to show you guys the view. We're in like the prettiest place. We're on kind of like the border-ish of Tennessee and North Carolina. Okay. Now we're gonna be out of like the pretty spot, of course. We made it. It's hard to get you in the frame. We made it. So we are going to head to fun. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm losing my head constantly.
I'm sorry. I can't. Oh, you have to back up. My arm's not long enough.
I'll stand back here.
Okay, this is perfect. But you can chime in. We just got here. We checked into our room, and we're gonna find something to eat at some point. Adam's gonna do squats. They have beekeeping at our hotel. I'm gonna show you guys. What? So crazy. And then this is our view. I have never been to Asheville. I'm excited. We're gonna just walk around downtown somewhere and try and get some dinner. So that is all for now. Ooh, I'm gonna show my room real quick.
You're not gonna clean it up then? You're gonna just leave it a mess?
Why?
Babe.
What? What?
You gotta make it look good.
Why?
You're trying to sell it. Right?
I mean, I guess. So this is the room. We've kind of already moved in, but it is pretty cute. It's very nice and clean and modern, which I like. And then I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom has 90s two-toned faucets, which I think is funny. But it actually has a nicely lit mirror for once, which is always nice. So that is the room. We just got back from going to dinner and I was about to change, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit for tonight before I do. I'm so tired. It has been like the longest day. So I'm wearing my Medallion necklace and then my tiny dainty necklace. Also, the lighting in here is terrible, so just bear with me. This is the Amazon top. I shared it in my Amazon try-on haul. Not the last one, I think the one before. And then this bag is back in stock. It was out of stock for months and months and months. Essentially, since I've had it, it's been out of stock, but it is back. So if you've had your eye on it, definitely grab it before it goes back out of stock. I don't know if they'll restock it or how long it will take. And then I'm wearing my dark jeans that I'm obsessed with. And these slides, I just got these recently. They were $22, and I think they have the prettiest detailing. and they do fit true to size. So I will try and show you guys my outfits throughout the weekend, and I will link everything down below for you. Good morning. We are in the car about to figure out where we're gonna go hiking. So we're trying to choose between like mountain views and waterfalls. Adam wants waterfalls, I want mountain views. So not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we will take you guys along. You can't say hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
We went for waterfalls and we're essentially in like an enchanted forest. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. You can actually, do you think that is the waterfall that you can hear, or is that the breeze?
The river.
The what?
It's just the river.
Oh. But it's like 80 degrees or something already, so it's kind of nice that we're like in the shade. Waterfall. What are you doing?
I'm gonna put you in the picture.
Okay, don't let go. We made it to the top.
Of?
I can't be the only person that talks. You need to talk too.
What do you want me to say?
Whatever. This is our home movie.
We made it to the top. Catawba Falls.
Hello. So we got home from hiking. We're trying to get Adam in the frame while I hold the camera. This is not an easy feat. We got back from hiking and we didn't really do much of anything. We're showered and...
She's afraid of snakes though.
Oh my god, guys, I freaked out. I was not expecting the snake that like showed up on us. So we are walking right now to meet up with Adam's sister, the bride, and the groom, and have drinks. And then we're gonna go to dinner. I'm obviously not gonna shove my camera in anyone's face except for Mr. Adams. So I don't know how much I'll show of this, but that is what we are up to. And I will show a photo of my outfit and I will link it down below, even though I didn't show it on here. Maybe I'll just upload my Instagram stories because I did share it there. So that's all for now. Good morning. It is Saturday. We are headed to the Biltmore, and then we have the like rehearsal. What is it? Like a
gathering. Yeah,
a gathering. So first we're gonna go to the Biltmore, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit before we go.
Bye.
It is insane that we have to shut the like blackout curtains in order for me to show you guys anything in this mirror. But this is what I am wearing to the Biltmore today. So I got this tank on sale. I will link it for you guys, but it comes in this color and then also a really pretty navy. And then I think it actually comes in a stripe as well. This gorgeous kimono I'm just wearing kind of off the shoulder, and then my cutoff jean shorts again, and my metallic slides again. These are seriously, they have been the best. I've been walking around with them on all weekend and they've been fine. Also wearing my medallion necklace and my ring that it's not going to focus on. That's okay though. And then I will link my nail color down below too. So that is today's daytime outfit. freaking pretty. And you have a head.
What?
You have a head.
Yeah, because I'm bent over.
This is so pretty. Hello, it is Sunday, which means it is wedding day for Adam's sister. We are very casual right now. I did the cheat, like only put my face makeup, not my eye makeup on thing, because we're gonna get ready for the wedding obviously later. But right now we are headed to the Arboretum and what's it called?
North Carolina Arboretum. And Botanical Gardens?
Yes, that. So hopefully there's gonna be some really pretty flowers. And he's gonna be a good Instagram boyfriend and take cute photos, right?
I suppose.
So we'll show you guys what it looks like when we get there. Oh, also I will show a photo of my full outfit. It's like the most casual outfit ever. And then link the details down below for you because I didn't show you before we left the hotel. Guys, I'm like seriously sweating through all of my clothes and Adam is not.
No.
But I'm letting him
It's
lead
not that
me.
hot.
It's 84 but super humid. I'm letting him lead me through a forest that I swear there's probably like 70 dead bodies in. Like if this isn't a place to dump a dead body, I don't know what is.
No dead bodies.
Yeah, this is such a dense, deep forest.
Yeah, there's no dead bodies.
Hello, it is Monday, the day after the wedding, and we are headed to go hiking at Craggy Falls? Craggy Gardens, excuse me. We're doing the mountain view hike since we did the waterfall hike the other day, so hopefully it's not too hot.
This one's the one she wants.
Yeah. It's supposed to have really good views, so obviously we'll take you guys. The wedding yesterday was so fun. Yeah.
It was lots of fun.
We tore up the dance floor. I'll throw in a couple of clips that I have from Instagram. I don't have a ton of videos, but it was really fun. And I don't think I showed you guys my outfit on here, so I'll pop in my Instagram stories to show you guys what I wore. But yeah, the wedding was super, super fun. It was one of those weddings that like everyone was on the dance floor basically the entire night, which was awesome. So yeah, that's
She
all.
finally pulled out her dance moves.
Me? I didn't pull out my like embarrassing ones, did I? Yeah.
Some of them.
Okay, I pulled out my embarrassing dance moves. Whatever. Your family now knows what they're getting. Okay, I am running out the door to go to the wedding, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick. This dress I am obsessed with. I think it's $56. It's tiered and it is lined. So if you spin around, the dress doesn't come up like the last dress I wore to a wedding. I have these tiered earrings, medallion necklace, this handbag, which I really like because you can tuck the chain in and it can be a clutch, but it just has this gold hardware. And this comes in, I think 4 colors. It comes in a really pretty nude color too, and it's under $30. And then I am wearing these shoes, which I love. They are, I think, 90, but they seriously, you can dance in them all night long. They are super, super comfy. So if you want to shop my wedding look tonight, then just swipe up. Oh, you're supposed to turn. What are you doing?
I didn't do anything. I'm supposed to go straight.
Okay. Anyway, we'll share the hike with you guys when we get there.
Or closer to.
Okay. You're gonna have to stand back though. We just pulled over on the side of the road. You guys, look at this freaking insane view. This isn't even a hike and we get good views. Can you imagine seeing this every day?
I have to get it from this angle because your face grease is amazing.
Are you gonna move? Alright, vamos. Vamos. Babe. Vamos. Off we go. He's taking me back into the woods again for second day in a row. Okay, once again we are in like an enchanted forest situation, but this is maybe the most narrow and like rocky hike that I've ever been on. What?
It's rocky. I mean, I've been through it, but yeah, it's definitely a lot of rocks.
I'm gonna show you guys. So, it's like a bunch of rock steps. And it's also up and down again, which is what we had if you guys saw our Scottsdale Phoenix vlog. The hike was like up half, down half, and then on the way back it was still, you had to go uphill on the way home, which I don't appreciate. I like to do all the hard stuff at first, so. Yeah, I'm a hike snob and this is not up to par. Hopefully the view is worth it. Okay, we made it to the, like...
Intersection?
Yes, that. There's a falls that's 2.5 miles, or the Graybeard Overlook, which is 1.7. That's what we're gonna try and go for. It is so buggy in here. Ugh.
She's buggy.
No. So they like basically the entire path has been like this, like super narrow, very green, and very, very buggy. So we'll see if we can make it up the one in it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo.
What are you doing?
Oh my god. They're everywhere. We'll see if we can make it up to the outlook. So the Graybeard Outlook is what we are going to. We came from the visitor center, so we've been 1.1 miles, and then this is if you go the other way. I don't know if you can, yeah, there you go. So let's do this. Okay, this is definitely the path less taken. Oh, there's a bug in my eye. Oh my god. We We just hiked 3 miles into the forest to end up at a roadside overlook of the mountains.
It was about the journey.
That was such a disappointing hike. We were like probably like 2.5 miles in. Sorry about the wind too, I'm sure you guys can hear it. We were like 2.5 miles in and we started hearing cars and I was like, this is not right. So yeah, I think we're just gonna take the road back. Oh.
Oh well. Still pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still super pretty. But we literally could have driven here. And one thing I said is, I hope wherever we go is prettier than wherever we could drive. Hello, hello. We are in Kentucky. It is 12:30 and we've been driving for
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. We're gonna stop and get Chick-fil-A because we don't really have it at home. There's like 2 of them, but Adam has never had it. So we're gonna introduce him to Chick-fil-A in a little bit. And as of now, GPS says we'll be home at 6:31, but it's not gonna happen because we're gonna stop. So I'll check in with you guys later. Any words, Mr. Coppersmith?
We'll be Sarah's guest home.
My
She
guess?
said that we'd be home at 8.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
That's a lie.
No.
Oh, actually, I guess, did I say 8?
Yeah, I said 7:45. You said 8.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess we made it say 8. We are going to beat it because we haven't really stopped. Like, we're only going to stop this time. Last time, on the way down, we stopped for longer, I feel like. Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, well.
It's all your bathroom breaks.
No, we've stopped twice so far, and we have not added any time on because that's how fast of a Peter
Yeah,
I
but
am.
we would be
Whatever, dude.
reduced more time,
No.
so that our
Okay,
arrival
okay.
time would be sooner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, it has been... Okay, babe. He always does this when I'm on stories. It's been hours and hours because somebody didn't want to vlog and I was driving. So we couldn't check in after Chick-fil-A. Thoughts on your first chicken Sammy?
It was good. I don't know that I would rush back, but it was good.
I mean, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of hype, but it's pretty good. We also got the cookies because you have to get the cookies if you go to Chick-fil-A. Unless you live by one and get it every day, then don't get the cookies. We're like in the middle of Ohio somewhere. We drove through Dayton and they had the tornadoes last night. It is insane how many trees are down, how many houses have damage. Like an entire like hotel or some sort of huge building was completely demolished. Like it's insane and really sad. But we're now like an hour and a half-ish outside of Toledo and it looks like it's gonna rain. So we shall see. Okay, it looks like blue skies on the camera, but it's actually gotten really dark and cloudy. So hopefully we don't hit storms. GPS now says 7:25 and I don't think we'll stop again. Right?
I don't care if she has to go to the bathroom.
Dave, you have to be nice to me on here. You're not mean to me in real life. Everyone's gonna think you're a jerk. Well, it did start raining. It actually kind of is stopping. It was just pouring a little bit ago. As in like 5 minutes ago. But it is gross and wet and farmland out here in the middle of Ohio. Guess where we are? We made it back to Michigan. We're still driving. We have like an hour-ish before we're back to my house. But we're finally back in the state. I am going to close this out. I hope that you guys enjoyed following us around. Next video with him is going to be the boyfriend tag. We're going to make him do it. Aren't you so excited?
Oh, just ecstatic.
You know you want to do it.
I need to know the questions.
He's nervous about the questions. No, it'll be fun. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy coming along to Asheville with us. Like this video, subscribe for more. I'm gonna try and do more vlogs, and any trips that we go on, I will definitely vlog. I'm going on a trip to Canada in like a week and a half, so I'm gonna vlog that weekend trip too. So yeah, give this video a